Bonjour mes amis, je m'appelle Jacob Martinolich et je suis votre chef aujourd'hui pour le show TV Le Rêve Américain Vendre la Nouvelle-Orléans. Hey y'all, this is Jacob. I'm your host today with the American Dream Cell in New Orleans. Right now, we're at the outskirts of New Orleans, here to find the best food out there. And it's not where you might think. Because out of all the great restaurants we have here, the best food is at a local's kitchen. So now we're here with my MawMaw Peggy to cook ourselves a Cajun Gumbo. One of the most important things about Cajun cooking is getting fresh seafood. So we're here in Westwego at the Shrimp Lot to get ourselves some fresh catch. So come on y'all, let's make this gumbo with the best seafood around. A beautiful thing about home cooking with Cajun culture is that from household to household, every dish is made a little bit different.
There's no gumbo that tastes the same.
Right.
Everybody's gumbo is going to be different.
All right, so we finally made it here to the kitchen. I'm here with my MawMaw Peggy, and we've got all these ingredients in front of us. Tell us, Mama, what do we have?
Well, I'm making a gumbo. It's going to be a seafood, chicken, sausage gumbo. And I don't measure anything. I just go shake.
That's how Cajuns do it, y'all. We don't need measuring cups.
We don't have recipes. We
drop
just
it in.
Drop it in there.
Let's get all these ingredients to the pot and start cooking.
Alrighty.
So how long is this going to be cooking, Mama?
Probably about 45 minutes to an hour.
Okay.
As soon as the chicken's done, then we can just add the shrimp.
Ça c'est bon. While the gumbo is cooking, Mama, why don't you tell us a little bit about our Cajun heritage?
Mother was born on a houseboat in Persimmon Pass, which is close to Morgan City, and they would make moss mattresses.
People used to sleep on moss.
And I grew up sleeping on a moss mattress in a bunk bed. And to me, I thought it was very comfortable, you know. My dad, his mother only spoke French. And when he went to school, it was a one-room schoolhouse. And his teacher, it was a new teacher in the area, and she didn't speak any French.
Of course.
So he spent 3 years in first grade.
He failed, wow.
3 years in first grade until he could speak English. And of course, at that time, his teacher learned how to speak French. My dad built the house that we were living in by himself. We lived in a little 2-room house.
Tell us a little bit more about Mama Hebert's childhood and growing up. You mentioned she used to peel shrimp?
The culture of the Cajun people, when they turned 12 years old, they had to quit school. So usually in 6th grade, you didn't even go to 6th grade.
Wow.
You're 12 years old and you had to go to work. And my mom and my aunt both worked at where the Shrimp Lot is now. They had a factory, shrimp factory, and they peeled shrimp. And they had to fill up these 5-gallon buckets, and which is a lot of peelings. So they would get paid 25 cents per bucket of shrimp.
1/4 for a whole bucket of shrimp.
For a whole,
just the peelings.
Just the peelings.
I am so excited to dig in. Thank you so much, Mama, for cooking this authentic Cajun meal with us.
I love cooking.
Ça c'est bon. Well, this is Jacob, your host with the American Dream TV Cell in New Orleans. From my family to yours, bon appetit.